how to fix device ban on Snapchat app. So if you want to fix the device ban on Snapchat app, then what you need to do is you need to simply open up your settings first. You don't have that fix on Snapchat, so you need to open up your settings and then you can go for apps. Then what you can do is you can open up your Snapchat on your settings. So after opening your Snapchat on your settings, now you can go for storage and cache and go for clear cache. And once you've tapped on clear cache, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, you can simply go back. And here you can search for date and time. And here you will have set time zone automatically, right? So you can simply turn off that one and turn everything off which says automatically. And from here you can change your time. And once you've changed your time and your date, now you can go and log in back to your account, and now you may fix your problem. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, you can simply open up your Play Store or your App Store, go for the search bar and search for Snapchat. And once you've searched, here you may have an update option. So if you have an update option, then your Snapchat might not work properly. So simply go for update and update your application, and once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix, then your last fix is to restart your device. And simply tap and hold on to that power button, and here you will get a restart option. Simply tap on restart and your problem might be fixed. So that's it. That's how you fix your problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.